we're coming out with 2 more steps, so that way to get able to get the second level.
Got you.
So the first level is the existing concrete right there, and the step. So and then that way we got over 5 feet tall.
Right, and one of the things that we were saying earlier, guys, is that the corner block is going to be able to be used in a lot of different ways just based on how skilled your hardscaper is. And so one of the ways that we were able to make this transition was to be able to use one of our corner blocks in order to do so. But most importantly, what we did for the customers, we gave them the ability to be able to get from point A to point B within this landscape, this being 4 foot of a retaining wall that you see here. And then as we continue, go ahead, friend.
Corner, because the corner brings 2 face.
You
know, so
talk to him.
Corner is the best way to keep on the corner. You see, you got the first face, and then you got the second face right here.
Talk to him.
So that way we got 2 views right here in the corner. So you can see that one there, the first face, and the second face right here.
Talk
then
to
they
him.
can make the best joint.
Talk to him.
The wall.
Talk to him. No glue.
No glue.
No glue. And so what you get the opportunity to see, guys, is by going with the corner block, you're going to get 2 different sides. One side being the side that you see here, and then the other side being what we call the face of the wall. And it's also a corner that allows for you to cut it appropriately and then be able to place it in your wall. And so what I like to say is no glue. And what that gives us the ability to do is provide a better look on your retaining wall, and it gives you the ability to be able to utilize this space even more effectively, not just being able to have the corner block, but by the engineering that we're able to use this block for, even that of being able to create those steps. So I want you guys to stay tuned because we got a lot more in store, and it does say that we're going to be coming back with the beautiful decorative gravel that's going to be used on this landscape. Is that right, Frandy?
Yes, sir.
And so what I've come up with in this design, it says that the decorative gravel is then going to be able to acquiesce itself onto an area that is going to be phase 2. That's right. The customer is going to go with another phase that's going to allow for them to have a 2-tier retaining wall right here in this area. We came in several months ago and we waterproofed the foundation of this home with the beautiful river rock and decorative gravel. And so these are just stages that we work with you on as a customer to better help you understand how you're going to be able to get the most out of your landscape. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. I know this customer will be absolutely amazed, and I can't wait to show you her face.